Hey there, and welcome to another Visart tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your Excel-based pivot tables and make them web-based pivot table applications with Visart. I already went ahead and started a Power Pivot table. It's for a fictitious school, some student data, but it's a very useful, case study to show you how this works. So we'll go to Power Pivot, then we'll go to Manage, and here's the Power Pivot table. You can see the different fields: faculty name, student ID, uh, cumulative GPA, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload this into the Visart software. So we'll go to Import Data. We'll choose the file. Here it is, school data, PP. I like to add the PP at the end of it just to remind me it's a Power Pivot file. And then I'll upload. And we'll go ahead and assign this to a default group. We'll click Next. Oh, something's already there, so we'll call this school, what? School Power Pivot. Sorry about that. So we won't make this a template report for now. We'll click Next. Click Next again. And when your new dashboard project opens up, you want to go to Insert, then Pivot. And there are two modes. There's the classic mode pivot table, and then there's the tree power pivot table. I'm going to focus on tree pivot tables just because the classic mode is pretty similar to the Excel file format, but the tree pivot is really helpful. It creates a hierarchy and organizes the data in a very useful way. So just take note of that. But we're going to go ahead and add student department. Let's see. We'll add the department, add to rows. We'll add student major, add to rows. We'll do student ID, add to rows, and then we'll do the course ID, add to rows. And then instead of columns, we have data fields at the top. So we'll go ahead and see what the cumulative GPA is through department, majors, students, and different courses. So we'll go ahead and add this to data. We'll express this in average. Click Save. And here you'll see a web-based pivot table generated pretty quick. So this is really useful, and I'll show you what you're seeing here. Um, if you press the plus icon, an organized breakdown of the different departments. So here, the biological and biomedical sciences will have all the different majors underneath with the average student cumulative GPA. And then if you go even further, you'll see the different student IDs, and then you'll have the courses and what the averages, the corresponding averages are for those. So it's pretty simple, and I'll go into how you can create new fields that weren't in your original Power Pivot table in the next video, but feel free to leave us any comments or any questions, and this is all online on our site with the user guide, so everything is explained, but again, reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and until next time.